Boom shakalaka, could Bitcoin be repeating this 2020 price reversal? Plus a warning to all altcoin holders. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at could Bitcoin be repeating this 2020 reversal? Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove, where every day we share some of the best charts in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Now the market today at 10, still in extreme fear. We've been in extreme fear for well over a month, a long time. Now the overall market today up almost 4%. Bitcoin at $33.99, Ethereum at $20.61, BNB at $3.26, XRP at 42 cents, Cardano 54 cents, Solana at $53, and Dogecoin at 8 cents. And if we take a look at the Bitcoin charts today, we'll start way down here, taking a look at the daily RSI. We can see that each of the previous couple times Bitcoin has broken above the RSI downtrend. Guess what? That was pretty much a bottom. Happened back there, also happened right here. And guess what? It looks like we are breaking above this one right now. We will still need a couple days to actually confirm if we're breaking above there or if it's just going to get rejected by there. But could we potentially have this bottom just bouncing off of this red dashed $30,000 line once again? We will have to see, because if Bitcoin continues in this yellow dashed downtrend that has been in, well, prices could continue to go lower, but you will notice there is a very nice wedge forming right here to be broken by the end of this year. So we'll have to see. It should be a very exciting year for Bitcoin. As of right now, though, the Confluence floor model by Plan C is still continuing to hold. Bitcoin has touched this a few times previously, I think 3 or 4 times previously. Right now, hasn't yet touched it. The daily closes are within about $1,000 to $1,500 of that Confluence floor model, but hasn't yet touched it. Meanwhile, we have the realized cap hodl waves of 1+ years right now where we are, not signaling that we're on the way back up. But if we go over to previously when we've been here, this was pretty close to the bottom. Also previously in 2015, this was pretty close to the bottom. So the area where we are right now suggesting price may be pretty close to the bottom, as the last active supply 1+ years ago continues to increase, making new all-time highs, currently 65.37%, and Plan C estimating it'll be 66 to 68% before we start seeing the price start climbing. Now this chart here from Stock Money Lizards saying, hey, is Bitcoin ready to bounce off this trend line? We have not only a support, basically breaking through and support found on the trend line of the Bitcoin price, but also the RSI at the same time periods. We can see the same thing where Bitcoin back from 2018 to 2020 basically broke through there and then bounced off of it. Well, if we take a look from the Pi cycle top there back in 2021, finding support there, and then potentially we could be bouncing off of that once again. Hopefully, this could be the bottom. Now, that being said, Plan B, not Plan C, Plan B, the realized price moving average, RPMA, in purple, shows the Bitcoin cycle the best. However, relative strength index is similar. However, it can be misleading at times. So previously, when they've been down low in these levels, particularly when the yellow, the RSI, breaks below the RPMA in the pink or purple, well, those suggest that it is great times for the bottoms. However, there was also this little incident back here in 2019 where it was a bit confusing, but another chart suggesting we could potentially have the bottom. And when in doubt, zoom out. Great advice from Binky Ponderosa. Sentiment is getting pretty bearish, myself included. It seems pretty bearish, but this is the 4th time in Bitcoin's history we've deviated from the low channel. If you look back 5 years in time, will you have regrets for not stacking harder? We can see previously Bitcoin was at $5, at $203, at $6,922, and right now when it's breaking out of the channel to the bottom. All amazing times to stack Bitcoin. Now that being said, that's stacking Bitcoin. I do want to have this little brief thing about stacking altcoins. This is from Charts BTC. He says that 73 coins have appeared and fallen out of the top 10. They average top 10 status for 50 weeks, but that number is inflated because of Litecoin. The median is only 19 weeks. That's right, about 5 months in the top 10, and then they fall out. The most recent coin falling out of there would be Terra Luna, but it's something worth noting that maybe even hodling top 10 coins may not be in your best interest. And this echoes back to something that Willy Woo has been saying over a long time. He took a look at the top 2,412 coins. Now this was from 2019, but if you take a look, all of them, pretty much all of them are degenerators. A few are oscillators, like Dogecoin was an oscillator. That's how we were able to call that pump. But most of them degenerators, meaning the price goes down. Bitcoin's really the only one where the price continues to go up. So that's all for today's video. Some interesting times coming up in the next few months to few years. You definitely want to be prepared either way. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Peace.